everyone! For today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to block incognito mode on your mobile phones. So if you want to know more, make sure to finish this video and follow the simple steps. So what we are going to do today is we will going to block incognito mode on our mobile phones using our Google Chrome. So we need to head on to our Google Chrome and we need to search Incognito Away APK. Once you search on that, click on the first option that will going to pop up, the apk-top.net. So click on that. Once it loads, you just only need to scroll down. And in here, as you can see, click here to download. Click on that. Just wait for only a couple of seconds. Just download this one. Download Incognito Away this keyword. So click on the advertisements that will going to pop up, and you just only need to download the file. There's a lot of advertisement in here, so find the download button here, download, and download anyway. And once it's downloaded, click on open. So guys, you need to install this application on your mobile phone. Just only wait for a couple of seconds and it's done. So open that one and click on OK, let's go. Then click on the settings button. So you can see this, what it offers and what it has. Click on the back button again. So here, incognito tabs are not being blocked. Here's why. The app does not have notification access. Please enable this by clicking the button below. So you need to go to notification settings once this kind of notification pop-ups on your phone. So continue. Then it would lead you into your device and notifications. Just only find Incognito Away, then allow notification, and click on I'm aware and wait for the countdown to go to until 1. Okay, and go back into your mobile application. And alright, so let's just refresh. Okay, incognito tabs from Google Chrome are being blocked. As you can see, it's already blocked. So now let's see if it's really blocking on our phone. So click on the Google Chrome again and go here at the 3 buttons at the right side corner, and as you can see, no incognito tab is still visible in here. So click on that. And as you can see, you've gone incognito and it's already blocked. You cannot open it again. So that's how easy it is, guys, to block all incognito mode on your mobile phones. So if you find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell for you to get updated on the latest update. Thank you for watching.